So, the best Minecraft launcher has just been found. Or should I say, updated. So this one, Chinglish launcher, I'm not racist, it says so in its own settings as you can see here. Just got a major update and now has become one of the best contenders for people who do multiple things on the same Minecraft version. From being able to change profiles to be able to use the same instance for both Fabric and Forge, this unicorn launcher, Polymerium, if I said it correctly, gives the user options they didn't even know they needed. Quick disclaimer, right? This version is so new, in fact, it came out on the day of this very recording, meaning there are issues to no regard, and I hope they get fixed insanely soon and I can post about that instantaneously, because the signs this is showing that it's going to overtake other launchers are insanely good, and I hope it gets fixed because I want to use this launcher personally very soon, and you'll see why right now. So now you see a very low quality version of how it looked like previously, aka yesterday, but now it doesn't look knockoff anymore, and now it looks like this. And this is how it looks like when you go in. These buttons are so new, in fact, they don't even work. It is actually funny. In settings, you are going to have to manually select your version, and you're going to have to choose your max memory and anything else there is, but there's this little superpower button which I'll let you guys figure out what it does. And there's a market where you get to choose from CastForge, the entirety of it, and Modrinth, if you prefer one or the other, depending on what mod packs you want. Now when it comes to accounts, you can add your own, and then there's these which Family Guy, and you can just add. Of course, the skins don't make sense. Maybe Brian kind of does because Hero Brian. Otherwise, the others, I don't get this. And Orthlib is said to be coming soon. As you can see, it is grayed out. Now the main part of this, instances. This is insanely simple to use. You just create an instance. You choose your version, I prefer 1.24, but you can choose 25. Confirm, and then there you have it. In view, you have a to-do list, let's say stream. In the notes, you can write anything, and it works just like a normal notes app. Widgets should be coming soon. Statistics at the moment just tells you how long you've been playing for. Now at the bottom, as you can see, it just keeps a constant log of what you're doing, which is also in tasks. Now, here's the best part about it. So, obviously there's settings which you can just use all of this yourself, but the best part about it is there's this little button here. Now, layers, amazing. Fabric, you could say. Then you just, so at the moment this button doesn't work. Add a fabric loader, and then add your mods under get. You could then have your forge here, and then same here. As you can see, you can just mods, search for a mod, search for a resource pack, search for a shader, and it's insanely simple to use. Let's just say you want fabric API once you've added your fabric in. Of course, this would come automatically with it once you add it. You just choose your version under versions, and you press install. It's as simple as that. It will install. Now here you can have your shaders and resource packs, let's say, so that you can keep that separate from the others. And then here you can continue by having your mod pack 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards, and then you literally just enable all the ones that you want to use at that point in time. Now, to test if something will work here, there's this fancy little button here called deploy. So I'm going to do it on this one since I've already started up a few times. It will go faster. It will say deploying started, and then it will tell you the status of the deploy without actually starting up Minecraft. As you can see, all good, no issues. Now, let's say you had something wrong with it. It will tell you exactly what's wrong. Now, here's the thing. At the moment, a lot is wrong. So as you can see, if I install this Modbone pack, let's get rid of these extra notifications, which at the moment don't disappear by themselves, and deploy it, as you can see, there is an issue at the bottom. It can't get at the moment from Modbone for some reason, but otherwise you can just play vanilla at the moment. So if you want to try and, you know, snatch this for yourself, because it does show the fact that you can add loaders, not manually at the moment. You could see if you could turn this into your thing, but another disclaimer, for mods to work, you have to run it as administrator, which hopefully will also change. So yeah, this is the joys of a very, very new version of a interesting thing, which used to look like it was just another knockoff thing from a different country, but now it's a real contender because you can literally just switch everything around. So yeah, this is how it looks, and as you can see, they cannot spell their own name, which might be on purpose. I have no clue. And yes, this all just works like a normal version does. You can close it down and it will tell you how long you've been on that instance. Now, I will say, again, this is insanely new, and I am waiting for this to update itself so that it all works. But so far, it's showing an immense amount of promise that I am putting my hopes out that this is going to go viral and people are going to push for this to be done, because the possibilities of just being able to choose instead of having multiple versions is just so nice that people, I believe, will just flood on quickly. Anyway, that's it for the video. Liking will help. Duh. So will subscribing. You guys hate hearing this. Anyway, have a nice day. And I hope you've been enjoying the rest of your week with it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.